Today's video regarding Canon PIXMA TS3451 printer. I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi setup or the wireless setup of this printer and how to install the setup ink cartridges. So these are the set of ink cartridges we get with this printer. It's a color and black ink cartridge. Now first step is to switch on the printer, press the power button, wait for the 0 to appear in the display panel, and now we have to install the ink cartridges. So take them out of the plastic packaging one by one. Open the ink cartridge chamber door, which is here. To install the setup ink cartridge, you will see the chamber is there. So press the lock down so that we can install the ink cartridges. Place the black ink cartridge in the black side. So that is here marking black and color. Slide it in and push the lock up. It will lock the ink cartridge. Do it same for the color ink cartridge. Push the lock up. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door and go to the display panel. Now we have to load the paper tray. Adjust the size here. Make it tight. Press OK button. Now I'm going to show you how to do the wireless setup of this printer, and we can connect it with the Wi-Fi network of our home or office so that we can use it for wireless printing and scanning. So we have completed the initial setup. You can start using this printer for copy if you want, and for wireless setup simply go to your device. For example, I have an iPhone here. Open the Canon Print app. You can download it from the App Store. It will ask you to search for available printers. Click yes. It cannot find a printer, so click OK. And on the next screen we have to click on the if printer cannot be found. Click on the auto connection. On the next screen you will see this message, and our printer has a button like this, so click yes. Now press and hold this button for 3 seconds on the printer. 1, 2, 3. Release it and confirm. Now click OK, and we have to go and open the Wi-Fi setting of our phone. So in the Wi-Fi setting you will see the Canon IG TS3400 series. Click on it. It will connect. Once it is connected, go back and open the Canon Print app. Click OK on the screen. It will show up the name of the Wi-Fi network it's going to connect. So click yes. Enter the Wi-Fi password of your home and click OK button. Here we can see our printer is connected, and now we can start the wireless printing and scanning from here. To do a scanning, we can simply click on the scan icon and place a page here. For example, this page facing downwards on this corner, and click on the scan icon. Confirm your printer and click OK. Overall, it's very easy to set up this printer and then connect with the Wi-Fi network. Once it is connected, you can do the wireless printing and scanning. You can add it in any device, for example laptop, computer, MacBook. Here you can see the scan is transferred. We can exit now. So overall, it's a good printer for home or office use, and you can use it for wireless printing and scanning. Thank you.